Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, for today's 3-minute review, I am doing the Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom, what is this? Nutrient Rich Butter Mask. I can't see anything. I'm so blind right now because I had to take off my glasses to film this. So if I'm like a little all over the place, it's because I can't see shit. I can't see shit, y'all. But onwards and upwards, I love this. This is amazing. This is $8.99 at Ulta, and I think you can get it for even a little cheaper at your local, you can get this in your grocery store, you can get this at Walgreens, you can get this all over the place. I love this, and there's quite a few things I love about this. For one, it doesn't have any sulfates, no silicones, which is really hard to find in deep conditioners that actually do what this deep conditioner does. It makes my hair very defined. It looks really, really good when I first wash it. Unfortunately, my hair is on day probably like 3 or 4. But I mean, it's healthy. It's healthy. This is all me. I just have it in a little low pony today, but this with the wild growth oil has been making my hair, like my hair has been growing faster than I can keep up with it. Like honestly, I need a haircut. I need a haircut months ago, but now it's like my hair is going even faster, and I really want to I just gotta keep it healthy. But anyways, this mask is amazing. It doesn't have any sulfates, no silicones, no gluten, no parabens, no dyes, no phthalates. It's cruelty-free, and it's also made in the USA. So I have no complaints about the way this is formulated. It's amazing. The number one thing that drew me to this, and this is the only reason I bought it. I only bought it because it smelled good. It smells so good. It smells like clean, sweet smelling hair. Green tea and wild apple blossom, like I thought that's a really weird combination, but oh my gosh. I got some on my mouth. It smells so good, and it lingers, and it's not too thick. You could probably use this depending on the texture of your hair. If your hair is a little coarser, maybe as like, I don't know, I wouldn't say it has a ton of slip, but you could use it if you wanted to detangle for sure. I wouldn't, just because you don't get enough, in my opinion. Depending on how much hair you have, this could be a good option for you for that, but for me this just doesn't have enough. But honestly, it's lasted me quite a while. It has 10 fluid ounces in here, so I'm really not mad at it. It just makes my hair look good, feel good. It's just so good for the price. Like, it really does enhance my curls. So as a natural, I was kind of like, it says detoxifying on here, deep conditioning with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. I do think this is good for people who have damaged hair. I definitely think it's good for naturals as well, especially because it doesn't have those silicones that kind of trick you into making you think your hair is healthier than it is. This actually makes your hair look and feel healthy, and it isn't, you know, just filling in the parts of your strands that aren't quite healthy. So I definitely recommend this. I hope you guys have a wonderful first day of fall. This is gonna be posted way after that, but it's first day of fall right now, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, boos. I love you.
Too much in my head, did you know it? Girl, it's so much you can like that.